Hello, I'm Donnie Stone, Director of Training and Technical Publications here at Vanair Manufacturing. Rain, sleet, snow, and freezing conditions are always a challenge when operating equipment on job site, so real performance and real savings are critical when getting a job completed on time and within budget. The same holds true when talking about the performance of your underdeck air compressor system, and specifically with time spent having to let your system warm up. Why? Well, not anymore. Introducing ThermalGuard, the patented weather protection option exclusively offered from Vanair. This innovative feature uses the vehicle's warm engine coolant to preheat the compressor oil and regulators for instant productivity. So why is this important? Most operators don't let the compressor system warm up, which can create very costly equipment damage. And if they do tend to let the system warm up, this could be non-productive time on the job site. In fact, it's literally idle time, both for the employees and for the vehicle. Not anymore. With the ThermalGuard Weather Protection Kit, you are able to preheat the underdeck system's oil while traveling to the job site. This allows your crews to work immediately, even in extremely cold climates. Speaking of cold weather, the ThermalGuard Weather Protection Kit also provides preheated system oil for smooth, easy startups and reduces harsh startup torque on a driveline, protecting the equipment in all weather and especially in cold weather. In addition, the ThermalGuard system helps get rid of water in the underdeck oil separator system, especially in warmer months. This helps to save money by eliminating oil changes due to moisture. And the beauty of this innovation, which is only offered by Vanair, no operator actions required. It's simple. If your truck is running, ThermalGuard is operational. Now, isn't it more productive to arrive at the job site ready to immediately work? We think so. With the ThermalGuard Weather Protection Kit, you'll be reassured your underdeck compressor system will be ready to work the moment you reach the job site. Prevent costly downtime and work stoppages, and help extend the performance and profitability of your equipment versus the other antiquated designs still offered in the market. Thank you for your time. For more information or a demonstration of the ThermalGuard Weather Protection Kit by Vanair in the field, in action, please feel free to call or visit our website.